Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to enable mouse pointer trails in Windows 11. If you often lose track of your cursor or want to make your pointer easier to see, this feature can be really helpful. Let's begin the steps. First, start by right-clicking on the Start icon located at the bottom. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Once the Settings window is open, look for Accessibility in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. Then, scroll down and click on Mouse Pointer and Touch. After that, look for the setting labeled Mouse Pointer Trails. Simply turn on this feature to activate pointer trails on your screen. Finally, once the trails are enabled, close the Settings window and try moving your mouse to see the effect immediately. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.